Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers. Today is kind of a special day for King Piers and our crew. This young man, Clint, lives in Nashville, or not Nashville, but we're at
Huntington, Tennessee.
Huntington,
There you go.
Huntington, Tennessee. And he drove 9 hours to pick up 8 King Piers and plates. He's been watching our videos on YouTube, and he's going to get into the foundation piering industry. He thinks that our pier is the best situation for him. So he drove up, stayed at my house. Today he's going to work along with our King Piers crew, the King Piers cartel, the best piering contractors anywhere. And he's going to learn how to put in our King Piers. So I wanted to introduce Clint. What's the name of your company?
WPR Services.
WPR Services in Tennessee. Give him a call. What's your phone number?
731 415 6043.
6043. Fine young man. I only work with good people. For all your foundation repair needs, stay with me. Go to my YouTube channel. Check out the great things we're doing for people. This community here in Lawrence has been great to us. It seems like we're here every other week doing something. So stay tuned. On this project here, the sidewalk going into the double doors is down a couple of inches. They had a bid to remove and replace the sidewalk and pour it back right. But I told him we can lift this for less. And so that's what they decided to do, is to lift the sidewalk instead of removing it, replacing it, saving them money. So stay tuned with me. King Piers, Lawrence, Kansas. For all your foundation repair needs, call me. 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.